Welcome to the new Westside Family Health Center. We worked so hard to get here, and I'm so excited to show you our brand new state-of-the-art clinic. Why don't we start at our entrance? Why don't you come follow me down? Here's our brand new parking garage. As you can see, we have plenty of spaces for our team members and our patients. As everyone knows, it's very hard to find parking in LA. As you walk into our lobby, you see we have screeners. They'll be screening patients before they come into our clinic for cough, fever, and shortness of breath, and any other coronavirus symptoms. One of the other things we do as a precautionary measure is that we call the patients the day before to see if they have any symptoms. If they are asymptomatic, then we're good to go. We have a phone number that we use to have patients call in case they are having any symptoms and they're concerned. So we do a lot of education around that. As everyone knows, there's a lot of education on hand washing, social distancing, and if they're feeling sick, we have people self-quarantine themselves. Let's head back into our waiting room where I first met you guys. Welcome back to our waiting room. As you can see, we have caution tape set up in the chairs to keep patients safe and to practice social distancing standards. As you can see on my right, we have 4 sections for our front desk staff to check you in, answer any questions you may have, and help you fill out any paperwork. We actually have one of our front desk staff here. Hi, Maricela.
Hello.
Good to see you. So this space creates a nice, open, and comfortable environment so that patients can relax before they get their room ready for their visit. One of the really neat things that we have here is our pediatric play area that our pediatric patients can wait while the community health worker comes and gets them ready for the visit. Let's head over to our family medicine health pod now. So this is one of our family medicine pods. We actually have 2. As you can see, we have our medical assistant and one of our providers hard at work at the moment. This is a really open space we created to be able to facilitate good collaboration between our team members. As you can see, all of our exam rooms are actually on the outside, which makes it really inviting for our patients also. As you can see, we have Susan here. How are you?
Hi.
How are you liking the new clinic?
I love our new clinic and the new space. It's so spacious and new. I love seeing our patients' faces when they come in and see the new space and their smiles. Yeah, I'm just very excited to continue working.
Yeah, we're really excited to have our patients come in and see our new space and get the excitement that we have going. So this is one of our patient rooms. We have a fully automated exam table and everything else that we need to be able to conduct the visits appropriately and efficiently. It's really great to be able to have everything in one place now. So we're gonna head back into our other family medicine pod. So this is the other side of family medicine. We have 12 rooms in total. Now with our move, we're able to expand our services to be able to accommodate many more patients. Now also with our space, we are able to socially distance and provide our staff and patients the safety that they deserve. This over here is one of our consultation rooms. We have 5 in total, and we're able to provide like patient education and counseling in those rooms. Let's head over to our dental pod now. So here we are in our brand new dental pod. This is where our dental providers will be sitting. Let me show you our brand new dental rooms. As you can see, we have state-of-the-art equipment that we're really excited about. Unfortunately, due to COVID, our process of getting dental going has slowed, but we're really excited about offering these services in the future. Now we're gonna head over to our pediatric pod. Here's our new pediatric pod. As you can see over here, we have our infant scale and our measuring devices. I'd love to show you one of our new pediatric rooms. As you can see, it differentiates from our family medicine rooms in that it has an inviting chalkboard for our patients to use while they're waiting for the provider. Over here, we have our books from our Reach Out and Read program. It's extremely important that we promote families reading together at an early age. We have a total of 6 pediatric rooms, and we're extremely excited to increase our pediatric population to promote health and well-being in our new generation. And now we're going to head over to our Women's Health Pod. Welcome to our Women's Health Pod. Really excited to show you guys this area. As many of you might know, we started off as a women's health center in the 1970s. We're really excited about dedicating the entire pods to our roots. I want to show you our women's health specialty room where we do our procedures. in this room, we're able to do IUDs, Nexplanons, and even colposcopies. So we don't have to refer anybody out. We have all those services in-house now. So now I want to take you to our vision section of the building. Really excited about having this brand new service for our patients, where we are able to offer vision screenings with our optometry services. And also in our second room, we have our IPAX machine, which does retinal screenings for our diabetics and our hypertensive patients. It's really important to get those screenings done so they don't affect patients' vision in the future. So that's it for our clinic floor. Let's take you to our administrative floor, where all the action takes place behind the scenes. Welcome to our administration floor. So the entire floor is dedicated to administration with the intent to really optimize our collaboration and communication with team members. Speaking of which, hey Julie, how are you?
Hi, Dr. Barba. I'm good. How are you?
Good to see you. Just want to take a little chance here to chat with you about what you enjoy most about the new clinic.
I think my favorite thing is the fact that, for me specifically, the community outreach and education team, we're all together now. So I think just in terms of creativity and workflow, it creates such a positive work environment.
Absolutely. And I think the other day you had to pop in my office when you were on a call.
Oh yeah, that's another great example. I was on a call and we were talking about our COVID-19 response, and I was able to just knock on your door and you were able to pop on the call and talk about the COVID provider on call, and the workflow behind that. And it was really great for everybody to be actually hearing from a provider on that too.
Yeah, on top of that, it just happened so quickly. We didn't have to go across the city to kind of get it to each other.
Absolutely.
It's fantastic. Well, thank you so much.
You're welcome, and I'm really excited for all of you to be able to see the rest of our administration floor.
Me too. So we should get on with it.
Okay.
Thank you again.
Have a great day.
And let's check out the rest of the floor. So now let me take you into our provider room. This is the area where our providers, our physicians and advanced practitioners work, teach, and learn collectively. So it's really great. On top of that, this area is actually triple the size of what we used to have. So there's plenty of place to, as you can see, social distance given everything that's going on with COVID-19. Next over here, I want to show you our manager station. It's really great that we have them right next door to our providers, just in case any issues arise and our providers need to get a hold of them urgently, or even just for talking about certain issues and projects that we're working on. Welcome to our conference room. So besides having our team meetings in here, we're really excited to host community events, health education workshops, and community member trainings in this room. It's really neat that we're able to actually divide this room into 3 sections. So if we actually have multiple workshops going at the same time, we're actually able to do that in this space. What's really amazing about this room is that it shows how much we've grown as a health center. This room alone is about the size of our old clinic space. Our old clinic building could fit entirely in this area. Pretty amazing. Why don't you come follow me now into our lounge? Welcome to our lounge. This is where our team members take their breaks and their lunches. As you can see, we have plenty of space so we can practice social distancing. On top of that, we have brand new amenities so we can come back refreshed and recharged to our patients. So this actually concludes our tour of the administrative floor. Why don't you come follow me back up to the waiting room where we started. Well, thank you for coming on this tour with us at the new Westside Family Health Center. We're so excited that you got to see our brand new state-of-the-art clinic. We can't wait for you to join us as we expand our services and we're able to treat even more patients in the future. Thank you.
Thank you.